turtle. Never play cards with a frog. If you sleep with a mermaid, don't bring your wallet, or brother, you wake up robbed. 'Cause if it breathes bubbles, it's trouble. If it flaps a flipper, it's just meat. I don't trust it if